I wish to emphasize the fact that the fundamental purpose of my speaking here in the Rajya Sabha is not to engage in words duels with other members but to state positive truths to the best of my knowledge and to draw the attention of the nation to certain crucial issues. Stop. Tamil Nadu has been facing acute shortage of electricity for more than a decade. Stop. The state government was forced to impose power cuts ranging from 25% to 100% intermittently from 1991-92 onwards to overcome the shortage. Stop. As a result of the repeated power cuts, the industrial and agricultural production in the state has been affected adversely and drastically. Stop. Para. Tamil Nadu has very meager hydel potential. Most of the economical hydel potential has either already been exploited or is already on the anvil. Stop. The balance potential is either tied up in interstate disputes or is too small and seasonal for economic exploitation. Stop. The only fossil fuel that is available in the state is lignite, and efforts have already been undertaken to utilize this potential in an optimum manner. Stop. Tamil Nadu has almost exhausted its hydel resources and has no coal resources at all. Stop. For setting up more coal based thermal stations, there are formidable constraints in that coal has to be hauled over long distances either from Andhra Pradesh or from Bengal or Bihar, rendering the cost too high and the availability of coal uncertain. Stop. It was in this context that the state government passed for the location of a nuclear plant in the state, and the government of India was kind enough to concede the demand by sanctioning the Madras Atomic Power Project with a capacity of 235 megawatt in 1967. Stop. Later, in 8th 5-year plan, the second unit also with a generation capacity of 235 megawatt was also sanctioned. At the time, there was a clear understanding between the state and the central governments that the entire output from Kalpakam would be allocated solely to Tamil Nadu to meet the urgent and pressing needs of the state. Stop. Para. In the year 1988, when the necessary lands were acquired for the project, the government of Tamil Nadu agreed to make available free of cost 2500 acres of land required for the project. Stop. The lands were valued at about rupees 53 lakhs. Stop. This commitment was based on the confirmation given by the Madras atomic power project authorities to the effect that in return the entire energy output from the project would be sold to